Hi, I'm Siyar Shah, and today I'm going to speak about computer viruses. The first one is I Love You. I Love You is considered one of the most virulent computer virus ever created. It manages to wreak havoc on computer systems all over the world with around 10 billion worth of dollars of damage. 10% of the world's computer we were believed to be have infected. It was so bad that governments and large cooperative took their mailing systems offline to prevent infections. This was created by two Filipino programmers, Reynold Ramos and Arnold D. Guzman. And the next virus is Code Red. Code Red first surfaced on 2001 and was discovered by two EI digital security employees. It was named Code Red because the pair were drinking Code Red Mountain Dew at the time of discovery. The worm targeted computer with Microsoft IIS web services installed, exploring buffer overflow problems in the system. It leaves very little tracks on hard disk as it is able to run entirely on memory with the size of 3569 bytes. And the third one is Melissa. Melissa, named after an exotic dancer from Florida. It was created by David L. Smith in 1999. It started as an infection word document that was posted up to an alt sex unsent. A group claimed to be a list of passwords for pornographic sites. This got people curious, and when it was downloaded and opened, it would trigger to macro inside and unleash its payload. And the fourth one is Caesar, a window worm first discovered in 2004. It was created by computer scientist student Sven Jackson, who also created the Nexi worm. While the payload itself may be seen as simply annoying, the effective were incredibly distributed, with millions of computers being affected and important critical infrastructure affected. And the next virus is Zeus. Zeus is a Trojan horse made to infect Windows computers so it will perform various criminal tasks. The most common of the tasks are usually man in the browser, keylogging and form grabbing. The majority of the computers were infected either through drive-by downloads or physical scams. First identified in 2004, it managed to compromise thousands of FTP accounts and computers from large multinational corporations and banks such as Amazon, Oracle, Bank of America, Cisco, etc. Controller of the Zeus bonnet used it to steal the login credentials of the social network, email and banking accounts. And the next one is Configure, also known as drop, drown up or drown up. Config is a worm of unknown authorist for Windows that made its first appearance in 2008. The name comes from the English word configure and a German pejorative. It is infected computer virus using flaws in the OS to create the bonnet. The malware was able to infect more than 9 million computers all around the world, affecting government, business, and individuals. It was one of the largest unknown worms infected to ever suffer, causing estimate damage of 9 billions. Stuxnet, believed to have best been created by an Israel Defense Force together with the American government. Stuxnet is an example of virus created for the purpose of cyberware, as it was interrupted to disturb the nuclear efforts of the Iranians. It was estimated that Stuxnet managed to ruin one-fifth of the Iranian nuclear centrifuges, and then nearly 60% of the infection were concentrated in Iran. And the last one is Mydum. Surfacing is 2004. Mydum was a worm for Windows that became one of the fastest spreading email worms since I Love You. The author is unknown, and it is believed that the creator was paid to create it since it contains the text message "Andy, I am just doing my job, nothing personal, sorry." It was named by McAfee employee Craig Skirmizer, one of the people who had originally discovered it. Mydum was a line of text in the program's code, and sensing it was going to be a big added doom into it. Thank you.